Attention TV eso. And some so opesa with TVDA. Subscribe to YouTube channel no. Me notification bar no. Like, comment and share. Send a video ni kofobi so ebenye bi. I want and I want so I can be. Nani nemu and some so Ghana memo say and de besemo. Aisha Huang ko yobi onye Ghana ni se India se China ono fiba Ghana memo say. Ye nenim se galamse nsensem ya. Ana Ghana card ya ye katewa koye bia anka me ne hunu hu kwan so koye bi na we ne wo kyeremu ache se e ka me akwese mpedifo bi no mo eta kyire a okopie mu e wo court batem a court asanso etu asemo no e de ahyeda a che se ya mani be wumpo na judge e kyeremu akyira se what is the probability says for mani be la obeba back to prison one as back to court war and as on by nothing Aisha Huang eda so eda court and a prisoner to say no obetwen till say court esanso ebe free kit ne mu kyeremu ye papa e wo ho abusia ye bekoti ede abana so ansa na no mamenka wo number no e 0548302985 ne na e University Foundation number no friend no na oni no entwetwe nkomo yenko ne nkoti nsam no mu kyeremu ye embra
Ediane ne esi efa kokoe no ediane ba mu.
Well, 2nd September ye domo court na court amount bail na domo koshe inside. Ntiene ye free case no. Na I asked for bail for my clients. Na mekataya na judge no so say there be all mobile until the case na say 27th September free case review
Edi important ana say kwadubo for indigenous so a on naturally aban kukum say 2nd September zamra
prosecutor no I can say woman we woman shifhe mu no and there is no assurance say your mom bela won be san babio and in the public interest no better say court be detain you by and large I would say court no take these objections for bail by the prosecutor as a basis and or turning down our application for bail.
But in turning down, say omunyina so bi ni say o client no ho ahom take akra o ho no sneaky in or ho no sneaky out. Enti probably that is the basis of almost a preka ho e ma judge gina so ka say na ye manenko.
Well, in the judge's ruling no we making reference to this. But prosecutor or can want them, sir. But unfortunately, it's sad. It's sad to say prosecutor pa bit make kuntumpo like that.
There be lawyer.
Because
now, Mr. Wadaroma and John Punkudina and kuntumpo so sa Wadaroma. One ne nyadwina a different from a yen kuntumpo. That's why odina kujina bia yin na gidi say san komo bit me wie pewa mo bia ho atono. It is when sneaky in, when sneaky out. You can walk us through the journey of Aisha Huang, our represented interest. This is what the prosecutor can. Also, the end of the way.
Pacho, you know that I'm a lawyer. Me in Castle Bay can kuntumpu without basis. God forbid. I was the lawyer for Aisha Huang, 2018. 2018, now Aisha Huang and 3 others. You do as a High Court criminal one. You do to the point that now Aisha Huang was supposed to open her defense. Menino court that day to open our defense. Unfortunately, that day the case was called. And Attorney General Eddie Carter said the case should not be continued. In law, your friend, nolly prosecute, don't prosecute. And the court, presided over by Justice Biden, it decided say my client is the case is struck out and accused is charged. According to the records, there is no case against Aisha Huang. I remember so well when I told the police that, well, my client has been discharged and the case struck out. I'm taking her out. Because I also counsel with office for documentation being there. Later, I'm so okay. You see, the government, or for that matter, the police, they've flown Aisha out of the country to China. They have flown the accused or Aisha Huang out of the country to China. And that's a prosecuted general court, and a court to say Aisha Huang slipped out of Ghana. It's untrue. It's false. It's not true. It's not. She did not sneak out. She was flown out against her wish. Look at the sneak out. It's not true. And look at the sneak in. Sneak, unless I don't understand the English word sneak. Sneak says a word we are one of room. But what friend is saying, Aisha Huang, she passed through the borders of Ghana. She presented the passport. It was examined by immigration officers. And a man entry permit to work Ghana. Look at it, she sneaked in or she sneaked out and sneaked in. You are misleading the public, throwing dust into the eyes of the court, which is not the truth. And at any rate, okay, matter, why will interview me? If it is true, say Aisha Huang sneaked into the country, then why don't you charge her with illegal entry? But the charges that Aisha Huang is facing now are illegal mining and selling minerals without license. They didn't talk anything about illegal entry or sneaking out or sneaking in.
Lawyer Father, she was flown out. Is that the case?
Yes, because she was living in Ghana. She was doing her business in Ghana. And I'm using the expression flown out because I don't have evidence that she was deported. Or I don't have evidence that the Minister of Interior had declared her as persona non grata. I don't have evidence that the Act of Parliament has declared her an unwanted person in Ghana. I don't have evidence that the President of Ghana has signed an executive instrument declaring her an unwanted person in Ghana. Until Aisha Huang's presence in Ghana is unlawful. And so the government has taken her out. That will not be.
I was saying Aisha Huang consent my yokoso Ghana memo has say and there be some more attention TV. So yeah, that's said that Osha attention TV. We inspire you more. Yakra.